Hello techies, welcome back to the Tech Hub. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Soundcore P20i True Wireless Earbuds. I found this product in Amazon. After making a big research, I finally choose this product. Once we unboxed, we can see user manual papers on the top, and there is warning instruction paper also. And then we have a Type-C USB charging cable. Then we have main case unit, which is having hanging support also, which is a good thing. And Soundcore logo is on the top. Once we open, there is two earbuds inside, which is in decent plastic quality. And this case comes with a Type-C USB port, which is a good thing, and it supports fast charging also. And on the top it has a Soundcore logo, and each earbuds also having the Soundcore logo. And in the case, in the front we have battery indicator also, which is having 3 stages of indicator. This is extra earbuds, which is 2 pairs totally. I have personally used this earbuds for around 1 month, which is giving a decent and good output. Especially the bass, I love it because the bass is too much high, and I'm a bass lover, so it's very nice for me. And the mic quality, mainly the issues in the earbuds or the mic, so we can use this earbuds for regular usage, and the mic quality also very much good, and it is having noise cancellation mic also. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel if you don't do it. That's it for today's video. See you in the another video. Until then, this is Sheikh signing off. Bye techies.